Hey, what's up, Polygon holders? So in this video, absolutely very urgent and very important for all holder, because my brother, this time absolutely 100% my brother, this coin is in the loss. So therefore, my friend, a holder asked me to please tell us to can there is a chance so they will wake up and they will move upward. Please tell us. So in this video, everything I will discuss too, but just in only you need my brothers to hold it and wait for the good time. Let's get started. Brand video. Kindly holder, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. My friends, come to the point. The update, first of all, the update is on the screen and you can see here, my friend, the price update. You can see here, so the price is lost now, minus 5.49% in last 24 hour, and last 7 you can see here minus 1.93%, and just only in last 1 hour this coin is in the profit. So congratulations, but remember, this is short jump. After this short jump they will also fails down. So this is absolutely the main reason, my friend, I want to tell you to why they fails down. The main reason is that this is the start of month, and absolutely in the start of month every coin will fails down. And remember, my friends, to in those days, especially my friend, short-term investor, they are starting selling, so therefore the coin is fails down. So try to understand, don't do this mistake. I hope, my brother, the price will be increased if you hold it. So hold it. I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Hope you understand something new in this video, but just in only, my friend, I will advise you to please hold. Absolutely, if you hold it, so I hope they will give you a very good profit. But if you're starting selling, then definitely they cannot give you a very good profit, because you can see after this fail they will also starting moving upward. There is 100% chance so they will move upward. So just in only you need to hold and wait for a good time. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.